వీడియో అవును, అది కూడా మేమే ప్లే చేస్తాం, దానికి కూడా ఆడియో మేమే ఇచ్చేస్తాం. థ్యాంక్
సార్ చీఫ్ గారు వస్తున్నారు సార్, రెడీగా ఉండండి సార్. సార్ చీఫ్ గారు వస్తున్నారు సార్.
With the permission of Honorable Chief Justice, we will commence the proceedings. I extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Justice, Sri Arup Kumar Goswami, Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Honorable Srimad Justice K. Vijayalakshmi, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge, Kannur District, and Honorable Chief Justice M. Venkataraman, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to the Digital Foundation toll laying ceremony of 6-4 building at Adoni, Kannur District. I welcome to the address respected Principal District Judge and other judicial officers of Kannur District. I also welcome the President and members of the Bar Association of Adoni for today's inaugural function in the august presence of Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge of Kannur District, and another judge, Justice Venkataraman. Now I request the President of Bar Association, Adoni, to deliver his welcome address.
Maintain silence.
Now I request the President of Bar Association.
Observe silence, please.
Good morning, my lord, the Honorable Chief Justice. Good morning, Honorable Justice Srimati K. Vijayalakshmi Garu and Honorable Justice Sri M. Venkataramana Garu, and also to other dignitaries in the Augustine occasion of laying foundation stone of 6-court building. My heart fills with immense joy, and I am proud to address this welcome speech before the distinguished dignitaries. I welcome His Lordship Sri Arup Kumar Goswami Garu, and I thank him heartfully on behalf of Adoni Bar Association for having accepted to digitally inaugurate the laying of foundation for the 6-court building complex at Adoni. I take this opportunity to welcome Honorable Justice Sri K. Vijayalakshmi Garu, our portfolio judge for Kannur district, for gracing the function. Also, I welcome Honorable Justice Sri M. Venkataramana Garu, who extended his kind cooperation and guidance at all stages till this date. My lords, it is a dream come true for all the members of Adoni because for the last 30 years, we as advocates and judges have been working with limited infrastructure. I wish to bring your lordship's kind notice that earlier court buildings were constructed in British era. We worked in the same building till 2019. Now with the new 6-court complex coming ahead, we the advocates and the judges can serve the litigant public in a good working atmosphere with ultra-modern infrastructure. The litigant public at large of Adoni division are also benefited with this extreme superstructure as it consists of all facilities. I thank your lordships once again for gracing this occasion, and it's our proud privilege of our Bar Association for witnessing this historical moment. Thank you one and all.
Now, I have the honor to request the Honorable Sir Justice M. Venkatraman ji to speak on this occasion.
My Lord the Chief Justice, Sri Anup Kumar Goswami, my esteemed sister, Justice Vijayalakshmi, the District Judge, Sri Krupa Sagar, judicial officers, members of the Bar Association, including Sri Mallikarjuna, Chairman, President of the Bar Association, ladies and gentlemen. This is really a proud moment for me since I had initiated certain steps for processing the file relating to this superstructure which this town is going to have. This is indeed a monument and a place of reckonance for the small town, which is a very, very commercially busy area. I wish that the members of the bar, as well as the litigant public, as well as members of or residents of the town of Adoni, really enjoy the structure in future, which is going to come up very soon. I congratulate the bar as well as I thank the High Court of Andhra Pradesh for extending this benefit to this great town. Thank you.
Now, I have the honor to request Honorable Srimati Justice K. Vijayalakshmi, Judge High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge of Kurnool District, to deliver her Lordship brief report.
My Lord, Sri Justice Arup Kumar Goswami, Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh. My learned brother, Sri Justice M. Venkatramana, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Dr. V. Radhakrishna, Krupa Sagar, Principal DJ Kurnool. Mr. V. R. Mallikarjuna, President, Bar Association, Adoni. The senior advocates, advocate friends, ladies and gentlemen, staff who are present here, and the media friends, a very good morning to all of you. At the outset, I would like to thank and express my gratitude to Honorable Chief Justice for kindly accepting the invitation and giving consent to digital foundation laying ceremony of this court building at Adoni, in spite of His Lordship's busy schedule. We missed the opportunity of inviting His Lordship to be physically present amongst us due to the prevailing circumstances. But anyway, we are happy that this long pending project is being started, at least now, through His Lordship's hands. Let me tell a few words about the importance of Adoni, where the construction of 6-court building is being done now. In the 15th century and early to mid 16th century, Adoni was a fort town of Vijayanagar Empire. And it's an important trading center with a large market area situated in the center of the town, and it's a large producer of the cotton and has substantial ginning and textile industries. The historical Adoni port and Shahi Jamia Masjids were built in 1660 at this place, which are the landmarks around the city. And the Bar Association of Adoni was started in the year 1966 by late Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu, the former Prime Minister and the Law Minister, the then Law Minister, and who laid the foundation stone for the building of the Bar Association of Adoni. And some of the advocates who have practiced in Kurnool Bar have become judges of this court. And I hope and trust that the proposed building would be finished as expeditiously as possible to enable the advocates who are practicing here and the judicial officers to have a perfect working environment. And for the last 1.5 years, we are not able to do our best for redressal of the grievances of the litigant public. But as hybrid mode of functioning of the courts is going to start from tomorrow, and as we have already lost substantial amount of time due to COVID pandemic resulting in mounting of the cases, I sincerely request all the judicial officers belonging to Kurnool district to rededicate themselves to the cause of justice and to do their best to serve the litigant public and for early disposal of the cases. I am sure the bar associations in Kurnool district will cooperate for the hybrid mode of functioning of the courts from 20th September, tomorrow, that's from 20th September 2021. With these few words, I would like to conclude by thanking the Honorable Chief Justice once again for giving consent to grace this occasion. I also thank the Principal District Judge and the President Bar Association Adoni and the office bearers for making such wonderful arrangements within a very short span. And I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity and for participating in the function. Thank you one and all. Namaste.
Now, I have the privilege of requesting Honorable Sri Justice Arup Kumar Goswamiji, Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to digitally foundation stone, laying ceremony of 6-foot building at Adoni in Kurnool district.
May I request the permission of the Honorable Chief Justice to permit us to display the visuals of height and the proposed structure and the engineering drawings. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, I request the Honorable Chief Justice to deliver inaugural letters.
Namaste and good morning. My esteemed colleague, Sister K. Vijayalakshmi, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Administrative Judge Kurnool, esteemed brother M. Venkataramana, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Y.R. Mallikarjuna, President, Bar Association, Adami, members of the Bar Association, members of the legal fraternity, Registrar General, registrars, judicial officers and staff present, members of media, print and electronic, ladies and gentlemen present. It's a very happy occasion for me to see the ceremony for laying of foundation stone for construction of 6-court building at Adoni. It would have given me much more pleasure if I could have been physically present there and do my part. But there are certain circumstances which did not make it possible. In fact, for last 2 days, we had inaugurated a couple of court buildings, courthouse. Yesterday, we had laid the foundation stone of new bar association building at Srikakulam, special court for trial of offences against women, and special court under POCSO Act were also inaugurated. Today morning, we had digitally inaugurated 2-court building and 2 residential quarters at Nidukuru in Kadapa district. And now we are laying the foundation stone for construction of the 6-court building at Adoni. Justice Vijayalakshmi has given a broad overview of the town and the way the courts have been functioning in Adoni from the time it was established. Mr. Mallikarjuna had said in his opening remarks that the building has potential of having all infrastructural requirements, and once the building comes up, it will give a big boost for better administration of justice. There are certain occasions when buildings have not come up within the time projected, but we do hope that all concerned will take requisite steps to see to it that the building is completed within the stipulated time period. I am told that Adoni Bar Association is a very old association and was established in the year 1966. I am also given to understand that there are many luminaries from the bar who have risen to great heights and had occupied many important positions. I am also informed that the members of the bar have been extremely cooperative in their role towards administration of justice. As my sister Vijayalakshmi indicated, after a long period, from tomorrow, there will be some change in the way the courts will start functioning. Pandemic has disrupted all spheres of life, including the functioning of the courts, and it will be our endeavor to see that the time that we have lost over the last 1.5 years is made up by doing extra hard work so that the litigant public gets their due share in the administration of justice and they get their results in the litigation as early as possible. With these few words, I thank you all. Stay safe. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Now, to propose vote of thanks.
My Lord the Chief Justice and His Lordship's two companion judges, my Lady Honorable Justice Vijayalakshmi Garu and His Lordship Justice M. Venkatramana Garu. I, on my own behalf, on behalf of the Judiciary, District Kurnool, and the legal fraternity, and the esteemed and very enthusiastic and energetic Advani Bar Association, the President, members of the Bar Association, and the District Bar Association and the Bar Council, and the citizenry herein. We are very grateful, my Lord. Your Lordship has graced this occasion, and two of my Lords have been here personally inaugurating the whole of the program. We thank your Lordship very profusely for sparing your Lordship's most valuable time for this auspicious occasion. Thank you, my Lord.
With the permission of Honorable Chief Justice, I declare that the inaugural function is concluded.